Find the Laplace transform of the following function. In part A, we got a function where we have three terms, 2t cubed minus 3t squared minus 5. So basically t raised to something. And if we look at the table, so when we have t raised to n, where n is 1 to 3, then that's pretty much n factorial over s raised to n plus 1. Okay, so in this case, the Laplace transform of this we denote by uppercase f. It will be a function of s, that is 2 times for t cube, just using this table, so 3 factorial over s raised to n plus 1, 3 plus 1, that will be 4, minus, similarly for the second term, 3 times, now t squared means 2 factorial over s raised to 2 plus 1 cube, minus this 5, we can think 5 is 5 times 1. Okay, 5 times 1, and for 1, the Laplace of 1 is 1 over s. So for 5, 5 over s. So 1 over s. Let me simplify this. 3 factorial is 6 times 2, 12 over s to the 4th, minus 2 factorial is 2, just 2, 2 times 1, 2 times 3, 6 over s cube, minus 5 over s. Okay, in part B, so we got an exponential function, and here is exponential function e to the at. The Laplace transform is 1 over s minus a. That's the exponent. And for cosine sum at, here is cosine at, where a is root 2 in this case. So fs is in fact e to the at is 1 over s minus a, minus 5, so s plus 5, plus cosine at. From this table we get s over, s means root 2, by the way, sorry, this is a, so it's kind of tricky. Cosine at, this a is only here on the bottom, a squared, so s over s is squared plus root 2 is squared, which is 2. For sine at, so we would have a on the top, like here, number 7, and this is it. So let's move to the part C. So sine t over 2, this is pretty much sine half t, and we use this. It's like cosine alpha t, it's the same thing, sine alpha t or sine at, a is 1/2. So from this, the Laplace transform of this function, lowercase f we denote by uppercase, is a over s squared plus a squared. Okay, so a means 1/2 t, this is 1/2 over s squared plus 1/2 is squared, 1/4, minus hyperbolic, they are about the same. I don't have this list here, but only change from sine to sine hyperbolic is just negative on the bottom. Same thing for cosine. Cosine to cosine hyperbolic, just negative on the bottom. So sine hyperbolic at, a is 2, so 2 over s squared minus a squared, 2 squared, 4. This is it.